welcome back to Lost Planet 2. This is now part 7?
Yep.
7, isn't it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 7. See, I'm saying this and we've only just recorded the other half.
I know. And you can't remember a number.
No. I might have recorded that
single
many
number.
videos in like the past couple of weeks. I forgot what parts are fucking what. It's a good thing I label them before I upload them. How are you finding the last episode anyway, Joe? Give us your thoughts and opinions.
That was a pain in the ass.
What was?
Them 2 acrids.
Yeah, I still don't even know the names to those.
I don't think... Do they have names?
I don't fucking know.
I don't think they do, because they just... I think they just call out... It's a category...
Yeah. Well, category G are the big ones.
Yeah.
Well, let's just recap what's happened. We've got on a train, a cat G's attacked us. We've then crash landed in a desert, coincidentally right next to another train. We've been attacked by an Akrid, and now we've got the hell out of there. So, let's see what happens now. Hopefully something exciting.
Maybe.
We can only hope. Okay, we're straight in, shit, and I fell off the train the second it loaded.
Are you kidding me? Did you see that train? How
Don't
fast
lose
does
any
it
men.
get?
Oh, I remember this part. Yeah, Joe, you're better off being in the carriage.
Got it.
We've got to pick them up from there. Oh, it's fucking train warfare, this is. Who's got the better train? Literally, that's what it's looking like. Is this enemy that we can't see? Oh, hello.
Oh, shit.
Shit. Is that you?
Because we used to call it Duty, aren't I?
Alright, I think that train's moving up now. Keyword I'm saying, I think.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Oh yeah, we've got frisbee grenades automatically, don't know why. Yeah, train's moving up. How is the big train not quicker than us? That was the question. You'd think a bit of a smaller train would be quicker, wouldn't you? Oof. Can't hit that last guy, Joe. You've got a frisbee on you. Joe? Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have somehow lost Joe. Or he's remote disconnect. What happened to remote disconnect?
Yeah.
It's alright, you haven't missed much. Is that a cannon? That's a fucking cannon.
No wonder. Wow, she died. Hold on.
One cannon down. So this is what happens, Joe, when you take the book out of it. You end up in the next episode. And so the good news is we haven't failed a mission yet, so... I mean, we fucking came close to it. You okay there, John?
Yeah?
Do you need a new battery or something?
Yeah. That's it.
What, you reckon you can hold on for a minute?
No, it's just done now.
Oh, you can
Yeah.
Alright, I'm trying to deal with all the turrets. Oh, hey, they're on top of this somehow. How'd you get on top of this? Oh, we have drones, Joe. Yeah, Joe, there's some drones flying around outside.
Oh, I just got used to that train. Don't even look that.
I've dealt with one of the drones. Now we had headshots like nothing. Oh, we still got MCMCQ and Yana Chang. Hey Joe, we still got Yana Chang with us.
That's good.
How much is left of that train? Fuck, that's a fair bit. You okay there? Booyaka, Joe. That was nice. Freaking. What the hell? Oh, fuck, helicopter out the back, Joe.
Where? Oh.
Somewhere around the back. Oh, no, mine is down. I think, MCMCQ caught him. Okay, we've got a few men left. Hey, who the fuck's sniping all these? Someone sniped them good and proper. I think the train's about to outrun us, by the way, Joe. Because it's getting quite far ahead. Yo! These snipers are getting dangerous, man. Yeah, whatever that was then. Which one of them's got a sniper? Oh, it's you.
I've got one now.
This is it. It's
So you're
do or
fucking
die.
dangerous, that thing. What's do or die? What are we doing?
Ah, I do not know.
That worries me when the ghosts do or die. Oh.
We're sitting ducks out here.
Oh.
Press one. To be honest, I might watch the video for your quick time event. See what. I want to see what happened.
He's like wearing like a white strand that just covers everything. So we're struggling for clothes. We've got thermal energy, but you can still afford underwear. It makes perfect sense. Ranger. So there's a VS there if you want it.
You reckon you can jump to that though? Never mind.
Go and just gun them all down. Nice one. Alright, moving up with you if you want to just... That's it. I'll be on me twinkle toes while you're fucking moving around going up and down. We've got a nav beacon anywhere near you.
Yeah, I had it there.
Oh, yeah, I see it. I'll jump in. I'll do it. I know, MC's got it. Yeah, something tells me the VS won't go further than that unless you jump on top. Have you got it on top?
Yep.
Fair play. Good battle armor. The hell is it? We've done that VS down behind us, Joe. Oh wait, I think I got him. Got him. I'll go back and collect the energy. Tell you what though, Joe, if you ever get the plasma cannon, it's freaking OP against any sort of VS's. You like in full-blown aggression focus mode.
Everything.
Like I will kill everybody.
Everything must die. It's like a DFS game.
Yeah. Oh, fuck, Joe, VS near me, help. Oh, I hear that. No, we're not dead. What, the VS just get knocked off or something? Or did you accidentally fall off the train?
Oh, he just got knocked off by a fucking guy with a shield.
A guy with a shield knocked you off. Oh, the guy with the shield just been out the road. Sort of like bullets and one shit myself. Are you far behind us?
No.
Fucking hell, man. MCMCQ fucking lethal. Did you know he's lethal? You see him take down all them people? Oh shit, there's a cannon. Is that cannon active?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, definitely active.
You reckon?
Shot me clean off the shot me clean off the train. Wanker. Oh, they destroyed the turret.
Yeah.
Nice one. What, is this helicopter operations?
Don't know.
Ready.
I'll give you full support. You wanna get the next nav, but you can go to your left. It's in the left-hand side train car. No! Definitely gonna need that freaking nav beacon. Because I pressed the wrong button, you know. I meant to, yeah, go down a little bit. But instead, with the helicopter, it has to land to eject.
Oh, fuck.
So it landed on the sand, and I just died.
Oh, that's
Front
not
of
what
train
it's
in
done.
under 7 minutes. Not bad.
Yeah.
Nice one. He's a hungry boy.
Oh, he is.
Alright, so up to the top go.
Warning.
You can take hold of the cannon and I will deal with the loading.
Emergency response protocol. Verify
brilliant.
criteria.
Take a look at that.
Go.
But the game doesn't want you to have a work. But yeah, I did.
Chimera system initialization. Prepare to negate category G Akrid direct. Dead eye firing system initialized. Dragon fire main cannon. Dragon fire operating system. Shell shock activation confirmed. All active begin operating procedures. Cobalt turret rotation procedure. Manual increase of rotation.
Right, please. Oh, great
Done.
shit. You moved the fucking cannon, and I was still trying to get up. I blame you for that. I fully blame you.
I think we're gonna do it again.
I know.
Hey, we finally failed one. Oh, there we go.
Oh, thank God. If it were all over again, I would not have been happy.
Warning. Category G Akrid detected. Activating emergency response protocol.
Alright, Joe, if you hold on right,
Verify Chimera system
I'll get the shells loaded up
initialization
from the back.
criteria.
So,
Because these are the more powerful ones.
Chimera system initialization criteria verified. Stand by to begin operation.
Second, we'll be able to... let's come forward. Yeah, operating crane. I think he turns up on the left in a second.
Dragon fire main cannon.
Yep, turn it up on the left.
Dragon fire operating system. Shell shock activation confirmed. Cobalt low crew members begin operation procedure.
right, anyway.
Yeah, I can basically fast fire you 90 degrees to the left or the right, depending where it turns up. Alright, fast firing 90 degrees, give me a sec.
Left or right.
Manual increase of
Yeah, we
rotation
know
speed
it's
is
left
possible.
or right.
Left. Keep turning left. Aim for his orange spots.
Where is it on?
It's alright, I've got you covered. Look at it. So what I mean by these shells have more damage.
Yeah.
Alright, go on, fire another one. I say if more than one orange spot goes, they'll be further down. Alright, shells loaded.
Fire.
Find out. Yeah, you hit. Alright, for a minute, you have to load up some of the shitty shells. Oh, he's going.
Shells will be automatically chambered upon insertion.
Alright, Joe, jump off the cannon.
Well, I'm back to the...
Cannon turret rotation.
It's alright, I'll spin it.
Manual manual increase of rotation speed is possible.
There we go.
Cobalt loaded. Cobalt loaded.
Oh fuck, they're loading cobalt shells.
Begin thermal energy charging procedure. Thermal charge will increase firing speed.
Oh, if that one's being chambered.
Shell shock system performance is declining. Use primary cooling units to restore performance.
Joe, do you mind turning the cannon a little bit to the left?
Far left.
Return
Too
turret
far,
to
too
low
far.
position. Crane operation is
Oh, he's on our
possible only
right.
once
He's on our
turret
right, Joe.
has
Keep
been
turning.
set.
I'm gonna use the coordinate system.
Going to full game at him.
Yep. Just shoot his ass. I'm gonna try and use the coordinate system
Cannon
to give us some
turret
health back.
rotation procedure enabled. Manual rotation speed is possible.
Should be another 2 shells sitting there. So the AO are good for that. They'll start bringing shells up.
Shock system cooling unit operation is now possible.
Need the shell loader.
It's loading.
Right. One more.
Cobalt loaded. Cooling units operational. Shell shock system cooling unit operation is now possible.
Alright, cooling operation started. And we're back at full health. Alright, you are good. Shell loaded. He's going down. Alright, bring her back. Pretty much get the gunfire like aiming straight in the middle of the tracks. Yep, that should be all good. We're loaded 2 dragonfly shells. See the difference of them on the map, can't you?
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
wait, turn him.
Return turret to home position.
There we go.
Crane operation is possible only once turret reset.
Fire. Oh no.
Alright, yep. You can turn it whichever way. I'm just loading 2 shells in. He's coming in straight in front and shooting him there.
Oh.
Hold the cannon still for a second. Alright, you can move. Then you can get them filled up on your right.
Cooling units operation.
Look at the slow turning
Shell
machine.
shock system cooling unit
Oh,
operation
yeah.
is now
Absolutely glorious.
So what you can do is like on the right hand side and the left hand side, if you jump off the gun there is a quick switch. Like it'll literally flip the gun 90 degrees. But I can't do it while the gun is in operation.
Got one down.
Alright, next one might not be as powerful because I haven't energized it. Wait, can I get it energized? No. Good.
No point.
Alright, Joe, jump off. Your side there on the left. Like just from the gun, see it there? That's a quick flip. Oh wait, he's back? Oh no, he's not again.
Cobalt loaded.
Sorry.
Cobalt loaded.
That's strange. Is he back?
Yeah. Hold on.
Cobalt loaded.
I can do this.
Yeah, not a fan of the cobalt. Ow.
Sorry. Oh, jump on.
Let's say we're roughly about halfway through his health. Yeah, just aim at centre and then jump off. Because then if you stay on this side here, I'll stay on the other one, when whichever side he turns up on, we'll just flip it. It's gonna hurt. So yeah, just get ready on your flip switch. What the hell is hurting us so badly?
I think it's that front of that.
On your left, Joe. I'll flip it. Alright, just get ready. Off the gun. There you go.
Hopefully we can see.
Yeah. How we're going on with the somehow we're doing a shit ton of damage. Activating cooler unit.
Oh, this that can load.
There you go. Nice one. Ooh, I have a new round for you.
A new what?
A new cannon round. Shit. Oh, he's up on your left now. What? Or is he just doing a dive thing?
Dive.
Yeah, he's doing a dive. Yeah, Joe, this one's called Devil's Roar.
Begin dragon fire shell loading procedure.
I'll pop this one in if you want to energize it, and I'll get the train working.
Yeah, no.
Unable to operate crane. What the fuck? Is it off center? Oh no, crane's operational now. I think it's because there was already a shell in the chamber. We loaded 2 more dragon shells for it. This one's gonna hurt a bit. Alright, just operating crane quickly. Alright, off. Whenever you're ready, flip it. Oh, it's going hard on the left jump. Alright.
Unable to what is that?
What? Unable to enter?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a second then and I'll have a fix for you. Or in a dragon shell energized and ready to fire. Second attack, second allows you on. Which shouldn't be too long hopefully, because I'm using the coolant now. Alright, should be good to go.
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay, let's try now. No energy.
That's what you want.
Have you got any thermal energy on you?
I have not got any thermal.
Alright, one sec. Hold still. Ooh! Something hit me hard. Ow. Yeah, I'm out of thermal energy as well. Run down below, Joe. Follow me. You following?
Yeah.
Literally stand with me in between these two.
Oh, it's slow, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, like stand in between them, like stand behind me. And you'll get both of them. There you go. Yeah, I'm going to quickly activate the coolant system so we get some health back.
Yeah.
Yeah, once you've got about 1,000, get your ass back up there.
Let's go.
Grab over on the left here, Joe. Alright, I think he's gone. Oh no, he's back. That's a fire then. Here, jump off, I'm gonna rotate. Fair enough. Yeah, keep rotating. I think that's how I speed up your rotation as well. Alright. Oh fuck. Coming up on the left. I mean the right, sorry.
Right. That does help a lot. Is it?
Yeah, it's loaded, you can try it.
No, I'll go home. That big blue thing.
Well, I've you shouldn't be dead. Oh, you're out shelled. Alright, hold on. Loading it out. Oh, I'm reloading one for you. That's good. That's a dragon round as well.
Cobalt loaded. Cobalt loaded.
Alright, let's do this rotation.
Right, good. Right, look.
So we're all set. Shit, Joe. Jump off. Help me flip it. He's right behind us.
Oh, God.
Go on, Joe. Get ready and take the killing shot.
Come on, fucking get in, you thing.
Fire!
Bullseye. Boy, that's
You can jump off now. Load next round. I want to make sure.
always look at that.
Oh god, in total, including our cock-up, it took us 34 minutes to do that.
Always do
I
that.
did say it was going to be a bit more of a cutscene.
Yeah. You did.
We hit the mother lode, gentlemen. You're gonna love us back home.
Why the hell is it snowing?
Yeah. It's strange this close to home.
Gotta be reading it wrong.
I'm telling you, I'm reading it right!
Where the hell is our home? Are you telling me the snow buried an entire town?
Ah, the hell with this shit. I'm gonna blow that son of a bitch to Kingdom Come! Get your asses over here!
Come on, on the way!
I am so gonna shoot the shit out of you!
Well,
What do you
that
reckon?
was very aggressive.
I know. What do you think he's gonna do? Do you think he's gonna A, jump off a bridge. B, shoot the shit out of him. Or C,
Don't give
do
a
nothing.
fuck. God. Yeah, I just thought then though when it did that little bit of a music scene, I'm there like I'm gonna get copyrighted for that.
Yeah. anything
Alright, return to
now.
campaign menu. Episode cleared. Next episode. Counter-Strike.
It's the
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us on this episode. Joe, how was your episode?
no, it's all right. Now we get to play as the B-Tech Halo armor guys.
Anyway, guys,
no,
hope
it's
you
pretty
enjoyed. We'll see you on the next episode, and we will also see you when the ashes reignite.